Hey Rockstars, today we're going to learn how to download Stop Motion Studio app to your device. First thing you'll need to do is locate your app store. Once you push App Store, you'll need to find down here in the very bottom is the word search, or sometimes it's already right there up at the top. And you type in Stop Motion. There are many different stop motion apps. The one we're looking for is the one called Stop Motion Studio. It has this blue background on the icon. Next, you're going to push the cloud with the down arrow for download. Sometimes this download can take just a minute, so be patient. Once you see the icon turn to, or the word turn to open, where that down arrow used to be, then you can start your video. Push start video right there, and the next thing you'll want to do is push the plus sign and you can get creating. After you've started creating, when you come into your app, when you come back into your app, you'll have to look for that icon again with the blue background and just click it and get started. Let's have fun creating.